Hi y'all. So I made a soil sifter here and I'm about to attach the 1/4-inch hardwood cloth to it. But I already assembled everything and made all the cuts, and I just wanted to tell you what I did before I attached this. So I made one 21-inch cut, two 42-inch cuts, and then one 34-inch cut, and then two 1.5-inch pieces on the end that I put to keep it on the wheelbarrow. Now I'm going to staple the hardware cloth down, and then I'm going to screw it in with duck screws and washers. So let's get going. Okay, now I have it all built. I put some oil on the outside just to kind of protect it a little bit. You see that I got some earthworms trying to escape there. So I just mixed some stuff in this compost, some cardboard boxes and some straw and some garden stuff that I had just ripped out because I didn't have any room in my other bin. So I wasn't planning on doing this for a couple more weeks, but I just wanted to give you this guy. We got 4 times the amount of space. Got some awesome worm castings there. It's nice and fine and fluffy, and I can add that right into my seed starting mix. Okay, thanks for joining me on my compost sifter, or just garden sifter. Great for getting rocks out too. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.